Hello everyone. Don't forget to wear mark. And today I will talking about idiom. 5 idiom for you today. Alright, let's get the ball rolling. The first idiom today is when pig fly. It's like a pig might find or find pig, something like that. And when pig fly is mean something impossible, something never gonna be happen. Like for the example, I asked my boss I could go on a 2 months of vacation. He said when pig fly. The second is raining cat and dog. That means like too much heavy rain or trouble rain. It's really hard rain. You can't do anything. It's really hard rain down, right? And for the example is when we were turning from the outside is what raining cat and dog. Alright. The third is miss the boat. It means like you miss the chance, miss something, or you miss out on something. And for example is the discount price sale end today and you don't want to miss the boat on making a great deal, do it now. And the fourth is apple of eye. It's like the most favorite person. And for the example for the example is he loved his daughter very much. She was the apple of his eye. And the last one is no pain, no gain. Is you might like thinking about the exercise or anything else, and this is like a necessary for the work hard, or if you're not working hard, it's not more achievement, right? And for the example is he saying no pain, no gain is the key of my success and always inspire me to work harder, right? No pain, no gain. Okay, today I'm finished for the sentence of the idiom today. The one is when pig fly. 2 is raining cat and dog. 3 is miss the boat. And 4 is apple of eyes. And the last one is no pain, no gain. Thank you for you watching Namfon from English Fluency. Bye. See you next video.